Have you ever looked at your palm and felt like that M was trying to tell you something? If you have the M mark, this message didn't show up by accident. Something inside you called it first. People with this mark aren't ordinary. Ancient mystics describe them as earth angels, souls living in human bodies who carry memories, sensitivity, and inner light that most people around them can't understand. If you've always felt different, if noise drains you, if you see past someone's smile, if you sense danger before it happens, that isn't overthinking. It isn't being emotional. It's something your wings remember even if your mind doesn't. Earth angels don't learn what they are. They remember it. And today, you're going to hear 7 physical signs that show you're not here by accident. Signs your body has been showing for years, even if no one ever explained them. The last one, sign 7, is extremely rare. Only about 1% of Earth angels have it, and those who do carry a very different mission. If your chest reacted just now, a pull, a shift, a sudden awareness, stay with me. That reaction is already a sign. Before we go on, tell me which city you're watching from. Earth angels live everywhere, and it's important you see how many are waking up at the same time. If what you felt earlier was a pressure in your chest or a strange sense of this is meant for me, there's a reason. Earth angels don't recognize themselves right away. They notice the symptoms first: sensitivity, intuition, loneliness even in crowds. You've been carrying these signs your whole life. You just didn't have a name for them. You didn't imagine it. Your soul has always been different. You arrived with sharper senses, deeper emotions, and a way of seeing the world that often made others uncomfortable or even threatened. You saw through people. You felt tension in a room before a single word was spoken. You were the child who asked questions that adults couldn't answer. And deep down, you've always suspected there was something about you, something old, something ancient. Earth angels don't simply live life. They absorb it. They notice hidden things, read the words that aren't spoken, feel shifts before they happen. This isn't weakness. It's memory. Your wings remember. Your body remembers. Your mind is only catching up now. In the next few minutes, you'll hear 7 physical signs that only people with this mission show. Not symbolic signs, real physical traits your body has repeated again and again. Some will make you think, I thought I was the only one. Others will feel strangely familiar. Earth angels don't learn the truth. They recognize it. Take a breath. Let your intuition guide you. If you're still here, you're already tuned into this frequency. Let's begin. Sign number 1, your eyes. Not how they look, but how they see. Earth angels have eyes that don't just watch. They sense, they read, they remember. Has anyone ever said your gaze feels intense, like you're looking through them instead of at them? Or maybe people avoid your eyes, not because you scare them, but because they feel too exposed, too understood. This is the first sign. Your eyes carry a depth far beyond your age. They look wise, focused, ancient, like they've lived more than one life and brought pieces of those memories here. There's something else most people never realize. Earth angel eyes respond to truth. You can look at someone smiling and feel the hurt they are hiding. You can sense betrayal before it happens. You can feel the energy behind harmless words. Most people rely on logic to understand others. You use sight and intuition together. That's why fake people drain you. Lies make your body tense. Manipulation makes your stomach twist. Your wings remember what your mind hasn't decoded yet. You may have wondered why you feel exhausted after looking at certain people. It's because your eyes absorb energy, not just images. Your mind reads tiny expressions. Your soul senses intention. You don't choose to read people. You simply do. If your eyes feel like both a blessing and a burden, that's sign number 1. Now let's move to sign number 2, and only a small percentage of Earth angels feel it as strongly as you. Sign number 2, your sensitivity to sound. This isn't because your ears are weak. It's because your frequency is high. If loud environments overwhelm you, if chaotic conversations irritate you, if you need silence more than anyone else around you, this is not a personality trait. It's part of your design as an Earth angel. Most people can live inside noise. Earth angels can't. Your soul didn't come from chaos. It came from clarity. Maybe you notice how quickly you get tired in crowded places. How certain voices feel sharp to your energy. How your whole body reacts when someone raises their voice, even if it's not directed at you. This isn't weakness. It's calibration. Your nervous system is tuned to subtle shifts and hidden energy. When you're exposed to noise that carries anger, ego, or conflict, your body rejects it instantly. There's another layer, one that only 1% of Earth angels experience. Your sensitivity isn't just emotional. It's spiritual. You don't just hear sound. You feel intention. This is why arguments drain you. Why certain songs move you deeply. Why silence feels like home. Silence is where Earth angels recharge. Your sensitivity is not a flaw. It's how you detect danger early, sense people's truth, and read rooms instantly. If sound affects you more than others, it's because most people hear noise. You feel energy. This leads to sign 3, the reason people come to you even when you're the one who needs healing. Sign number 3, you heal people without trying. Look back. Has this happened to you? People come to you to talk, confess, cry, or share things they've never told anyone. Strangers open up to you quickly. Friends tell you they feel safe with you. This is the natural energy of an Earth angel. You heal by being present. Your energy calms storms you don't realize are happening. Your words soften pain. Even your silence makes people feel understood. But who heals you? You attract wounded people because your soul feels safe to them, like a memory of something pure they lost. This gift comes with a wound. You listen, absorb, and carry until your own heart feels heavy. You get drained, tired, and overloaded. Not because you're weak, but because you feel deeply. You've always known you were a healer. You just didn't have the word for it. Your ability to heal isn't something you do. It's something you are. But every Earth angel goes through a phase where they give too much before learning boundaries. That phase is preparation for your mission. And when we reach sign number 4, you'll understand why your shoulders carry so much weight. Sign number 4, the pressure on your shoulders. That heaviness you feel, the tightness, the sudden fatigue in your upper back, especially after being around certain people, that isn't just stress. It's one of the clearest signs of an Earth angel waking up. Earth angels hold energy in their shoulders, not as a burden, but as a memory. Have you noticed it? When someone is angry or draining, your shoulders tense right away. When you enter a low-energy space, your upper back feels heavy. When you're emotionally exhausted, your shoulder blades burn as if something invisible folds inward. This isn't random. It's the echo of your etheric wings. Earth angels don't have physical wings in this lifetime, but the energetic imprint remains. Across lifetimes, your soul carried light and healing. That imprint sits behind your heart, across your shoulder blades, like 2 quiet wings waiting to open again. Massage doesn't fix it. Stretching helps only for a moment. The tension returns when you're around the wrong people. Because the pain isn't physical. It's energetic. Your wings remember every moment you carried someone too heavy. Every time you absorbed emotions that weren't yours. Every time you stayed strong for people who couldn't do the same for you. Everything that felt heavy was preparation. If your shoulders react first, tightening, burning, warning you, your body has been telling you who you are since the beginning. Now breathe. Sign 5 explains why your intuition speaks before your thoughts catch up. Sign number 5. Your intuition. This isn't guessing. It's knowing. Earth angels don't wait for proof. Your intuition signals long before your mind understands. You feel truth first and explain it later. Has this happened to you? You sense someone's intentions right when they enter a room. You know when someone is lying even if their words sound perfect. You feel danger before anything happens. You think of someone seconds before they text or call. This isn't coincidence. It isn't paranoia. It's the Earth angel radar. Most people depend on logic. Earth angels follow the quiet inner voice, the feeling, the chill, the sudden clarity. Your intuition isn't a skill. It's memory. Something carried through lifetimes to guide and protect you. You've always noticed the moment a conversation shifts. The moment someone's smile hides tension. The moment a decision feels wrong even when others think it's right. And every time you ignored your intuition, you paid the price. Your intuition becomes sharpest when your body starts rejecting low-frequency environments and people. That's why you feel restless or drained around the wrong energy. Your intuition is precise. It pushes you toward alignment and away from anything that lowers your mission. If your intuition has grown stronger lately, that's activation. Now we move to sign 6, the reason you can't tolerate fake behavior. Sign number 6. You can't stand anything fake. Not because you're difficult, but because your soul recognizes truth and pulls away from anything false. Earth angels have a strong sensitivity to dishonesty, manipulation, and hidden motives. Even a small shift in someone's tone can tighten your whole body. A fake smile stands out louder than their words. Passive-aggressive comments hit your nervous system like needles. Most people ignore these things. You feel every bit of it. You notice when someone is pretending. You sense intention behind kindness. You detect ego behind politeness. Your soul knows when someone isn't real long before your mind analyzes it. Your energy rejects what your mission can't work with. Earth angels cannot function in spaces full of jealousy, gossip, manipulation, or envy. Your body reacts instantly. You feel anxious, drained, irritated, or suddenly fatigued around the wrong people. Your sensitivity to authenticity is preparing you. It pushes you toward people who match your frequency and away from those who dim your light. And here's the rare part. Only about 1% of Earth angels experience this strongly. As your frequency rises, you outgrow entire rooms, groups, and relationships. It feels sudden but also completely right. This isn't loss. It's alignment. You're not meant to stay where truth can't breathe. You're not meant to shrink so others feel comfortable. You're meant to protect your light. If your tolerance for fake energy is gone, your next phase is beginning. Now stay close. The next part is the rarest sign, the 1% sign. Sign number 7. Before we continue, remember this. If you've recognized at least 3 signs so far, you're already in the 1%. Most people never get this far. Their energy doesn't match it. Their soul isn't aligned with it. They leave before the message reaches them. But you're still here. That means something inside you is waking up. Sign number 7 is the line between Earth angels and activated Earth angels. If you have this sign, your wings aren't just remembering, they're starting to open. Sign number 7. Your energy changes with the moon. Not emotionally, energetically. Earth angels resonate with lunar cycles, especially those who have the M mark or a crescent moon shape in their palm. Have you felt it? When the new moon comes, you turn inward. Your intuition gets sharper. You feel the need to reset everything. During the full moon, your emotions rise. Your dreams become vivid. Your body feels charged, almost electric, as if someone is adjusting a dial inside you. This isn't astrology. It's synchronization. Your nervous system responds to lunar energy the way tides respond to gravity. You become more intuitive, more sensitive, and more open during certain moon phases. Maybe you've noticed, you can't sleep when the moon is bright. You feel drained right before a lunar shift. Your mind clears on specific nights. Your body buzzes with energy for no reason. Your dreams feel like messages, not random stories. Your wings move with the moon. The lunar cycle is an ancient rhythm Earth angels carry without knowing it. It activates memory, heightens awareness, and strengthens intuitive messages. Only about 1% of Earth angels feel this strongly. If this feels familiar, you're not imagining it. Your wings remember the night sky they once flew under. Your soul remembers the realm it came from. You're entering your next phase. Earth angels don't just notice the moon. They respond to it. If you do too, your activation has already begun. If you have the M mark, if your energy shifts with the moon, if you recognize the signs of sight, sensitivity, intuition, and hidden wings, listen carefully. Your activation was never meant to happen early. It was meant to happen now. Everything you've lived, the heartbreaks, the isolation, the misunderstanding, wasn't punishment. It was preparation. Earth angels awaken exactly when they're needed. Not too early or too late, but at the moment your presence becomes essential to the people around you and to the shift happening in the world. If this message reached you today, remember this: Your wings remembered before your mind did. You were drawn here because your soul answered the call before your senses recognized it. A new lunar cycle is approaching. The energy of the coming months will reveal truths, break illusions, and awaken gifts you've kept hidden for years. Your dreams will shift. Your body will respond quicker. Your intuition will sharpen in ways you've never felt. You are entering the phase ancient mystics called the returning, the time when earth angels remember their purpose. And when an earth angel remembers, the world around them begins to change. Not because they speak louder, but because their mere presence shifts the energy of every space they enter. You always felt different because you are. You always sensed something more because there is something more. Your path is opening. Your wings are waking. Your intuition is aligning. Your purpose is rising. And in a moment, I will guide you through the activation message, the final part that anchors this awakening into your reality. Stay close. The last step is for you.